Dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So today's class is all about where to look from. Means where to look from. Why the name is like that, where to look from? Because this chapter is related to some views, top view, front view and side view, and mirror image, line of symmetry, symmetrical object, asymmetrical object. These are the things related to this chapter. So today is our first recapitulation class. So we will again recapitulate the chapters, the chapter topics, main topic we will discuss here. And so let's start the class. We are going to learn how many different types of views are there. First of all, we need to know that what is meant by views. Views means the ability to see something. The ability to see something. Like means what side we are seeing, that is the view. Like when we see the object from the top, it is called top view. When we see the object from the front, it is called front view. When we see the object from the side, it is called side view. And when we see the back of the object, that is called back view. So back view is not introduced, means we are not using the back view. We are using here mainly top view, front view and side view. Okay. So top view means when we see the object from the top, it is called top view. And when we see the object from the front, it is called front view. And when we see the object from the side, it is called side view. Now different types of views. How many different types of views are there? There are 4 different types of views are there. We have already said top view, front view, back view and side view. See, there is a bus. So what will be the top view? Means how the top view is look like. See, I have shown here the top view of the bus in the below of the top view, and I have shown the front view of the bus also. Means when we see from the front of the bus, what the front view look like. So this is the front view look like. And back view, see the back, means when we see from the back of the bus, what view comes in our eyes. See, and side view also given. So this way you can observe the objects everywhere. This is the question for you. If you look at the object from the front, what you will see? From the front, if you see the object, then what you will see? So here you have to count the boxes. How many square shaped boxes are there? Then you will get the answer. So options are given. First option and second option I have given. You have to choose the option. So check it. Now we are going to learn about mirror image. So what is mirror image? First of all, we need to know. First, you observe the picture what is shown here. In this picture, I have shown that the original image is little bit different from the mirror image. What is the difference? That you have to find out. And next, I will tell you the difference. First, you need to know that what is mirror image. Mirror image means when we keep any object in front of the mirror, what image we will get, that is called mirror image of the object. So, when we keep any object in front of a mirror, what image we will get, that is called mirror image. So, in the left side, I have shown the original image. And the right side I have shown that mirror image. Not only if we keep any object in front of a mirror, but also if we stand beside a river, then also we can see the image. That is called water image also, but it is not needed now. What I have told you in the first image, means first mirror image, that you have to observe the difference. That what is the difference between two objects, two images. So points to be remembered. Here the right side, you can see the right side of the object becomes the left side. in mirror image, the right side becomes the left side, and the left side of the object becomes the right side. The left side of the object becomes the right side. This is the change. And the unchanged portion is the top and the bottom sides of the object remain unchanged. Don't think that the top and the bottom sides also will change. It is unchanged. It will unchanged. So the sides of the object changed after mirror image. The sides of the object changed after mirror image. But then also we can observe many of the different types of objects and alphabets and numbers are there which remain unchanged. When we see the mirror image of the particular alphabets or object, the side remains same. Then also we cannot find the change in any sides of O, like I, like U. These are etc. These are the different types of alphabets which remains unchanged. Here I have shown you the if we write any words and if we keep it in front of a mirror, what image will comes. See, here I have shown the study. See, I have told you that the left side will comes in the right side and right side will becomes in the left side. So Y, D, U, T, S, and also the letters also will be changed. Another example of figure mirror image. See, one figure is given and the mirror image you can see the side has changed. So in this way you have to find the mirror image of the objects. This is the mirror hubs. Mirror hubs means if we keep in front of a mirror, then what image we will get. Okay, so the half sides of the object we will get in the mirror, in front of the mirror, in the mirror. So this is the mirror hubs, and this way you can get the mirror hubs of different objects. This is your homework. You will get the homework from school website. Download the PDF and practice it. Okay, and as examination is knocking at the door, so you have to practice a lot. So do it at home and practice it. So till then, bye bye.